I'm Christy Stanwyck with Malco Products. I'm here today to demo the conformable sander by Malco Products. This conformable sander has an aluminum core. That's what allows it to hold its shape. When you flip it over, this end cap holds the material in place. This one allows it to move freely. That's why your paper won't buckle when you change the shape of the sander. They come in an 8 1/4 and a 5 1/2, and they're used for standard hook and loop product. 3 sheets for this one, 2 for this one. Malco's conformable sander is made in the USA. We have a lifetime warranty on all of our products against manufacturing material defects. New for 2019, we have our axial pliers for bonding and welding. This is a 6-piece kit that comes with everything you see here. These are a great linear style opening pliers. This one's good for spot welds. We've got one to get in those hard to reach places like a rocker panel. They come individually or in the kit, and you can check them out at malcotools.com. Now let Scott talk about the skinning tools.
Hey, I'm Scott, and I'm going to show you our door skinning and door hemming tools. Right here we have a drill attachment that, just real quickly, will do 360 degrees. All our drill attachments will do that, so you can get the battery pack out of the way, which is really handy. The telescoping action on this will fit any housing that you have for a drill, and you can also adjust in the back. This one in particular is for door hemming. So you want to start with right here. You want to angle this on here. You'd start with a hammer and dolly to begin it, but then you can actually put this attachment on to flatten this metal, as you can see here. Flattens it really nicely. Then what I'll show you here real quick is to easily remove the door skin. We have our DSR1, which is a door skin removal tool. And what you do here, that will easily remove the door skin for ease of use. All of these tools do come in pneumatic models as well, and they're really handy for your shop and make you real ease of work. And this is our TSHD1. This is one of our most popular models. It's got a nice shearing action on here. This is designed for 18 gauge metal. Smooth as butter. Any of those shop projects you got that you need, slight curves, it's natural to the right with really nice angles to the left. Once again, that's our TSHD1, which is a really good model. Along the same platform, this is our TSMD1. This is a double cut model, great for long straight cuts, as you can see. Designed for 18 gauge metal as well. Really nice and smooth. So once again, that's our TSMD1 for double cutting action. Every one of these models are drill attachments. We got a full range for automotive, all made in the USA, designed at our factory in Annandale, Minnesota. So come and check us out at malcotools.com.